Hey guys. Okay, so a bit of a different setting for me today. Usually I'm out and about in the streets of Brisbane, got some beautiful trees around me. Today, I'm in a dingy car park. We're going to work with it though. Anyway, this week I thought I'd continue the whole quasi PSA public service announcement kind of thing that I was doing last week. And I wanted to give you guys a bit of a warning or a heads up to say that the Olympics carnage, it's well and truly here. Like, it is upon us. Feels like just yesterday that I was sitting here going, oh, the Olympics, that's 10 years away. That's future me's problem. Yeah, feels like just overnight everything has changed. And like I suggested, suddenly the carnage is here. Let me explain. Recently, I was having a chat to a landscape architect, and she was just telling me in passing casual conversation, oh yeah, they're currently planting the stock that is going to be used in the future stadium projects. And as a result, she is now finding herself competing with these companies and these big government projects for stock on her smaller residential projects. I was like, damn, like I knew the stock shortages would come. I just thought it'd be further down the track. I didn't realize it'd be an issue this soon. Then last week I was having a chat to some assessment managers in council and I was like, guys, I feel like you've literally lost half of your staff overnight. Like, WTF, what is going on in there? Anyway, long story short, turns out that the state government went on a very, very targeted recruitment campaign and they stole a good chunk of council staff. As a result, the team members in there, they are now well and truly overloaded. I was talking to one guy and he literally got 20 applications overnight. I was like, oh, damn, sucks to be you. Like, I don't want a workload increase overnight like that. Like, oh, I feel sorry for you, dude. Anyway, then last week I was also having a chat to an arborist and a civil engineer, and oh, we got a car about to reverse in here. Let's see if I can keep talking and keep my attention. But yeah, well, I was talking to an arborist and a civil engineer. Oh, getting very close to the car edge. Oh, imagine this if they hit. No, they're good. So anyway, what was I saying? I was talking to an arborist and a civil engineer, and again, just casually in conversation, they basically said to me, oh yeah, by the way, we're just waiting for some government tenders to come in. We're expecting they'll drop in the next 1, maybe 2 weeks, and we're thinking we'll be successful. And I was like, oh, damn. Suddenly that means I'm going to be competing for your attention. Like, it's going to take a lot longer for me to get information and reports and all that stuff out of you. Oh, this is going to be a problem for me. So yeah, moral of the story, or the point I want to get across today, is we are already seeing the impacts in the public sector, the private sector, and when it comes to stock availability. Like, this far out, we're already seeing the impacts. What's going to happen from here? So yeah, moral of the story is start mentally preparing yourself for the fact that things are going to change. They're going to start to slow down a bit from here as a result of the Olympics. Okay, I think that covers off everything I want to talk about today. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got 3. Number 1, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number 2, Brisbane Town Planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number 3, what was my number 3? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.